Okay, so here we have is our MST hubs. This is the DisplayPort hub. The part number is the R06-MST-103-P. So you can see from the unit here, it's sitting right there. It uses the regular DisplayPort connector and output also to 3 regular DisplayPort outputs. Now, since this is a regular DisplayPort output, I'll be using a computer that has a regular DisplayPort output. Namely this one right here. Now, there's some requirements you have to follow, and it all should be listed in the specs. So, with this said, I'll be using 3 displays. Now, depending on bandwidth usage, you can use a combination of depending of monitors. For my combination, I'm going to be using 2 regular 1080 monitor, a 1200 monitor, and a 2K, basically 4K, 2K. Now the 4K, so the bandwidth distribution is really important. So you have to make sure that you don't go over the bandwidth. Each monitor doesn't go over its amount allocated. So that's it. Now, as for cables, another thing you have to be worried about is cables. DisplayPort is, like I said, it's very sensitive to bandwidth. So the cables I'm using is going to be our own TNT made 28 gauge DisplayPort cables. Now we go up to at most 15 feet. That's where we're going to set the limitation at. After that, that's up to you if you want to use it, but we can't guarantee it anymore. So we can only guarantee it with our 28 gauge cables and up to 15 feet. So that said, and that's just regular. That's for a regular 1080p monitor. If it's 4K, it will be shorter because of bandwidth concerns. So that said, let me start connecting everything. So here's the unit. You would need power, but I'll plug the power after I finish connecting the monitors. So I need to first connect 2 monitors to this unit and plug power in. Then to my computer. Now when this is loading, you have to actually wait for it to sync. As you can see, it does come up. So from here, and already looking at it, already on 2 monitors, you already see the bandwidth usage. So it's 50%. Now, if you have a 3rd monitor that uses 50%, it'll go past 100. They won't display anymore. It won't work. So that's why I say you gotta be careful about your bandwidth usage. So for me, I know my 4K monitor doesn't go past 50%. So it's actually below around 40 something, I guess. But that's good enough. So it'll display. So let me connect that right now. Let me actually connect my 4K monitor to this unit. As you see here. Again, every time you do that, it'll have to resync. And here, if you look at the 4K monitor, you see it. Everything come up perfectly. Now, looking at that, notice, like I said again, here you see my actual bandwidth allocations. So like I said, my 4K uses 40 something. My Dell and my Asus monitor uses something else, uses like that. So based on this, actually right now it's looking good. So right here, everything works. You have all 4 monitors connected. Now from here, you can do whatever you want. You can do that using. I'm using an AMD video card right now. So from here, I can set up video walls or adjust my display depending on how I want it. But I won't be going into how to do that because we have that in another video. So basically that's about it. So here you see all 3 monitors come up, no problems.